In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, configure, and start recording with OBS Studio on your Mac step by step. First, open your preferred web browser. For this example, I'll be using Safari. Once your browser opens, move to the search bar and search for OBS Studio. From the search results, make sure you click the official OBS Studio website. If you need it, you'll also find the official OBS download link in the description below. Once you're on the OBS website, look for the download options and click macOS. Before downloading, you'll need to know which type of Mac you have. Move to the top left corner of your screen and click the Apple logo. Then click About this Mac. You'll now see information about your Mac. If your Mac uses an Intel processor, choose the Intel version. If your Mac has an Apple Silicon chip such as M1, M2, M3, or newer, choose the Apple Silicon version. My Mac uses Apple Silicon, so I'll select that option. Now click the correct download button and wait for OBS Studio to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, move to the top right corner of Safari and click the Downloads icon. Alternatively, you can open Finder and go to your Downloads folder. Now double-click the OBS installer. A new installation window will appear. Simply drag the OBS icon into the Applications folder. And that's the installation completed. Next, open Finder and click Applications from the left sidebar. Then locate OBS Studio and double-click it to launch. You can also open it from Launchpad. The first time OBS opens, macOS will ask for several permissions. These may include screen recording, microphone access, camera access, accessibility access. When the permission window appears, click Open System Settings. Then find OBS in the permissions list and turn on screen recording access. Repeat the same process for any remaining permissions, such as microphone, camera, and accessibility. OBS will guide you through each permission automatically. Once OBS finishes configuring, move to the bottom right corner and click Settings. Now, let's quickly optimize everything. From the left side menu, click Output. Set output mode to Simple. For recording quality, I recommend High Quality. Under Recording Path, click Browse. Then select the folder where you want your recordings to be saved. Next, locate recording format. For Mac users, I recommend using MOV. It works extremely well with macOS and most editing software. Under Encoder, choose Apple's hardware encoder. This usually provides excellent performance and video quality. Now move to the left side menu and click Audio. Under Microphone, choose the microphone you want OBS to use. This is the microphone that will record your voice. Next, click Video from the left side menu. For output resolution, I recommend keeping it the same as your display resolution for the best quality. You can lower it if you need smaller file sizes. At the bottom of the video settings, set common FPS values to 60. This will give your recordings smooth motion and better overall quality. Now move to the bottom right corner and click OK. Your OBS settings are now saved. Back on the main OBS screen, look toward the bottom left corner. You'll see the Scenes panel. To create a new scene, click the plus icon and give your scene a name. Now move to the Sources panel, located right next to Scenes. Click the plus icon and select macOS Screen Capture. Click OK. Then choose the display you want to record and click OK again. And that's it. Your screen has now been added to OBS. When you're ready to record, move to the bottom right corner and click Start Recording. If this tutorial helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple OBS and Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.